My clients are sending me 5-star reviews before I deliver their photos or their recap video. Me getting the reviews I get almost has nothing to do with my photos or my video results. There are a lot of photographers that's probably better than me, but my results are down to 3 simple things. My name is John and I'm a corporate and private event photographer. I'm based in the UK in the North London region. I also do personal brand videos, corporate headshots, corporate and business interviews. So one of the 3 things that I like to do that gets me amazing reviews every time is I love to turn up 2 hours early before every project. One big thing that helped me to be super organized and always ready to go is my large camera roller bag. This bag holds absolutely everything and it's always packed and ready to go. Another major benefit is when I get to the venue, it helps me to make 1 trip to and from the car. 2 if I'm doing a major setup, but usually 1 trip. Whereas in the past, I'll be making multiple trips with super small camera bags. So this roller bag is absolutely amazing. Number 2 thing I do that gets me reviews every time is when I'm at an event, I make it a priority to speak to every guest I can. I keep it short, keep it professional and quick. The number 3 thing that I do to keep constantly getting great reviews, I do a little bit extra at the delivery stage. For example, my turnaround time for photos is 3 to 4 business days, but I do like to turn it around in 1 to 2 days. Regardless of the contract and agreement, people in today's world expect everything to be done quickly. For videos, the delivery target is 5 business days. I tend to try and deliver that in 3 to 4 business days. I try to give a little bit more value, and because of that, my reviews tend to basically write themselves. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.